Hi there, it's Wasim from Always Web Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to add email accounts into your Outlook. I'm using Outlook 2007 for this demo purpose, but most of the Outlook programs have the same settings and the process is quite similar. So first of all, if you want to add an email account into Outlook, what you do, you go to Tools. Once you've opened your Outlook, of course, you go to Tools and you click on Account Settings. I'm just going to delete an email so I can show you for demo purposes, and then we click on New. A pop-up will come up. You just select the first option, which is the Microsoft Exchange POP3 IMAP or HTTP. Okay, and click on Next. We're going to configure an email that's hosted on one of our servers, so most of you have got shared hostings with us, and the process is similar for all of you, unless you've got Exchange server or any other email hosting solutions. Okay, so once you've got to this stage, you click on Manually Configure Server Settings and select Next. You'll be given a couple of options to choose from. For example, internet email, which is POP3 IMAP, or if you have an Exchange server with us, you select the Exchange server option. Okay, but we'll go with the POP3 option. and you come to a screen where you just need to enter your details in. So you'd enter your name, so we'll put my name here, and then your email address. So the email that we're configuring, which is mail@webinphp.co.uk. so yours could be anything, mail@yourdomainname.co.uk or info, whatever your email address is. And then from the server information, you select POP3. But if you have a look, you have other options. You have IMAP or HTTP. IMAP is if your email hosting solution allows you to have IMAP settings, then what that would mean is it'd be synchronized with the server. So when you delete emails on your server or on your Outlook, it'll be synchronized with each other. But for this demo purpose, we'll select POP3. Incoming mail server. So all the domains that's hosted on our server, your incoming mail server would be mail.yourdomainname.co.uk. So in this instance, it would be mail.webinphp.co.uk, and then the SMTP details for, again, our hosting server is mail.webinphp.co.uk. Now you can also double check if you do have email solutions with anybody else. It's best to double check what your incoming mail server and your SMTP mail server is. Sometimes you might need to put your internet SMTP details, so it allows you to send emails from your email client. For example, if your internet's with BT, your SMTP solution SMTP details would be smtp.btinternet.com or btconnect.com. So it's best to double check with your service provider of internet and also your email. Then logon information. The logon information is basically your username and password. So in this instance, it's your email address and your password. It's best to select Remember Me password, which saves you time rather than entering your password every time. And then you click on More Settings. So once you've filled all this out, so your name, your server details, and your login details, you click on More Settings, and then you'd be given another pop-up would come up, and then you select Outgoing Server tab. From here, you'd select My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication. Okay, and it's exactly the same as your incoming mail server, so they're both exactly the same. The login details are the same, so you just select that option. Use same settings as my incoming mail server. Here you also have the option, if you go to Advanced, if you have any problems, you can change the port settings. You can speak to us or speak to your internet provider, and they can give you some new settings there. If you're having problems sending and receiving emails, you also have the option of, if you want to leave a copy of the email on the server. So once Outlook has downloaded all your email, the copy of that exact same email will still be on the server, so just in case you delete it accidentally off your Outlook. Or you can also select the option is to maybe delete it after a couple of days, maybe 10 days, 30 days, whatever you prefer. Or you can select the option of to only delete it from the server once you've deleted it from the deleted items in Outlook, which would be all the emails in your deleted items here. But for this demo purposes, I'll just untick this. Once you're done in the advanced settings, click on OK. And then before we click next, you can do a test. So you click test account settings. Here Outlook would send a quick dummy email and attempt to receive an email, and it'll show you if everything's fine. So here we've got 2 green ticks, which shows everything's good and the email's been configured correctly. And then if you do have any problems, Outlook would come up with errors here. It'll show you what error there is, what the problem is, and then you can always contact us via our support team at support@alraiswebsolutions.com, or contact us via our website, and then we'll be more than happy to help you diagnose your problem. So everything's fine. We click on close and then we click on next. That's all. And then once you click on finish, your email that you've added, it's been added to your accounts. So mail@webinphp.co.uk, and click on close. So when you send an email, you have an option. If you do have quite a lot of emails added to your account, you have the option of selecting which email you want to send your email from. So we've just configured mail@webinphp.co.uk, and you can send an email to whoever you prefer, or if anybody wants to send you an email, it'll come into mail@webinphp.co.uk. That's enough for today. What we'll do next time is we'll work out how to set settings and different folders on so all of your emails are organized as they come in, so basically it'll be more efficient for you to manage your email account. As I said, if you do have any problems in configuring your emails that's hosted with us, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and our support team will be delighted to have a look into that for you. Thank you for listening.